Can I serve divorce papers if my spouse won't cooperate? Imagine trying to move forward with your life but hitting a wall because your spouse refuses to accept divorce papers. It can feel frustrating, but the law has ways to help you get through it. When you start a divorce, serving your spouse with the divorce papers is a key step. It officially notifies them that you are filing for divorce and gives them a chance to respond. If your spouse refuses to accept the papers, don't worry. You can still serve them using specific legal methods. The person who delivers the papers, called a process server or sheriff, can leave the documents near your spouse if they refuse to take them. This is called personal service with documentation. They will note the refusal and keep records that the papers were attempted to be served. If personal service doesn't work, there are other options. One is substituted service, where the papers are left with another adult at your spouse's home or workplace. If that also fails, courts may allow service by publication. This means publishing a notice in a local newspaper to inform your spouse about the divorce. Once the papers are served, your spouse usually has about 30 days to respond. If they do not respond or refuse to sign the papers, you can ask the court for a default judgment. This means the court can grant the divorce without your spouse's participation. Sometimes, the court will hold a hearing to give your spouse a chance to explain their refusal. But if they do not show up, the judge will likely approve the divorce and decide on issues like child custody, support, and property division. If your spouse is intentionally avoiding the process, your lawyer can file a motion to compel them to participate. Some courts also allow alternative methods of service, such as email, text messages, or social media, especially if your spouse is hard to find. Remember, divorce does not need both spouses to agree. One person can start and complete the process even if the other refuses to cooperate. The legal system is designed to prevent someone from delaying the divorce indefinitely. Proper service of divorce papers is essential because it gives the court jurisdiction to finalize the divorce. Working with a family law attorney can help you navigate these challenges and make sure everything is done correctly. In the end, even if your spouse refuses to cooperate, the law provides multiple ways to serve divorce papers and move forward. Once proper notice is given and steps are followed, the court can grant your divorce without your spouse's agreement. It's all about making sure the process is fair and that your rights are protected.